Hello and welcome to this Gmail tutorial. This Gmail tutorial is using the Tasks add-on directly from your Gmail. As you can see right here is the Tasks add-on. It's this little blue icon on the right side. If you're not seeing it, it could be perhaps because of this little drop-down arrow which hides your side panel or show your side panel. So again, here is your tasks right here. And so I'm going to click on tasks, and you can see that tasks helps you keep track of the important things you need to get done. And so we're going to go ahead and get started here. So we can either add a task right here. Okay, we have our three dots. Always click on those, and you can see what your tasks can do. But I'm actually going to take this email right here that I got that says that Benjamin Cogswell needs help with the Gmail video, and I'm going to take this Gmail and I'm going to drag it right over here to tasks. And you can see right away it made the task help with the Gmail video. So instead of always having to keep my mail as unread, what I can do is take that mail and add it to the tasks, and then it also references the mail right there. I can click on the pencil. I can further edit it by giving it like a due time, like, hey, I better finish this tomorrow. I can set a specific time if I want to. Probably if I'm done with this, by tomorrow at 11 a.m., it's going to be good. I can put it on repeat if it's something I need to do every day. I can hit OK there, and you can see that. I can also add some subtasks, like, for example, add to YouTube if I needed to upload the video to YouTube. Alright, and then to go back, I can just go ahead and hit the back button. If I need to, I can delete it. I can add some more details as well, some notes, like email him when I am done. Alright, click the back, and you can see here my task, right? I have this task, and this is indented. You could see this subtask, which is under here. I could just directly add a task as well, like if I needed to turn in my timesheet, and I can add that task here, and again I can edit it in the same way. If I want to close my task, I can go ahead and close the task here. I can open the task back up again, and I think I'm done with, I haven't added up to YouTube. Yes, I have, and I'm done helping with the video. But I need to email him when I'm done, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It brings up the email. Let me just email him. I'm going to put that I'm done here. I'm going to email him right now with the reply button, and I'm going to hit done and send it off. So hopefully that helps you understand how tasks can to use tasks. Again, tasks can help you keep track of anything from emails that you need to take care of or things that you may need to do around the office, and it's just a click away over here on the side tab. Oh, I better go turn in that timesheet. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.